I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a transaction on your Capital One card, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions section. Find the specific transaction you want to dispute. Step 3. Select Dispute option. Click on the transaction to view more details. Look for the Dispute button or link and select it to initiate the dispute process. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the required information regarding the dispute. Be clear about why you are disputing the charge and attach any supporting documents if necessary. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After reviewing your information, submit the dispute. You should receive a confirmation message or email once it is submitted. Remember, if you don't see the dispute option, it might be because the transaction is too old or already under review. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope this helps you resolve any issues quickly.